Ride with me as we visit Joe Mentor's African Village in America in Birmingham, Alabama. And so from the dash cam, you'll be able to see as we approach this, it's over an acre in size property. And there, he actually has properties on both sides of the street. But the main location is over an acre and you can't see much of it from the street. What you mostly see is his plywood works, which address a lot of historical and contemporary events, especially that have large scale impact or suffering. And what you're not really seeing, unless you look through the fence, are his sculptures and ironworks. Joe Mentor is a world renowned sculptor, community historian, and founder of this African village in America, whose visionary art chronicles the Black experience and the struggle for freedom, justice, and unity. And so, thinking about all of his work, like his work has been featured all over the world and displayed at some of the top museums, like the Royal Academy of Arts in London, the High Museum of Art in Atlanta. They have some of his work in their permanent exhibit. And so, he's even had like solo exhibitions and been featured in books. That's how I found out about him, reading about him in a book about Black vernacular art. But yeah, his work is in some of the greatest institutions like the Smithsonian or the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York. And he recently won an award. He was awarded the Putting People First Award for Art as Resistance and Awakening Justice through Creativity from the city of Birmingham. And he just received that award from the mayor last week. So it was such an honor. And I'm going to create a fuller video about him and his work. But for now, I just wanted to give you a snippet so you can see what it's like to approach the African village in America. And I can't wait to share more about my absolute favorite living artist and just one of my favorite people.